The stop and start system reduces your fuel consumption and greenhouse gas emissions by putting the engine into standby as soon as possible. Naturally, the vehicle equipment such as the radio or the GPS remain in operation while your vehicle is on standby. The vehicle's mechanical and electronic components have been adapted for the use of the stop and start system. If your vehicle stops at a red light or in a traffic jam, for example, the engine automatically goes into standby mode. A warning light then appears on the instrument panel to warn you that the engine is on standby. The gear lever must be in position D or N, and you must apply sufficient pressure to the brake pedal to ensure that the engine is put on standby. If indicator light A flashes and the message "Press the brake pedal" appears on the instrument panel, the brake pedal is not pressed down enough to ensure that the engine is put on standby. When you release the brake pedal, the engine restarts. If your vehicle is fitted with the auto hold function, the brake pedal can be released while keeping the engine on standby. The exit from standby will take place when the accelerator pedal is pressed. To ensure your comfort, certain conditions may prevent the engine from entering standby. For example, if your vehicle is in a maneuvering phase, if the temperature of the engine is too low or too high, if the battery is not sufficiently charged, if the temperature level is not reached or on a steep slope. In other situations, such as when the engine is on standby at a red light, it may restart of its own accord in order to operate the air conditioning or recharge the battery. A crossed-out A warning lamp appears on the instrument panel to warn you of the unavailability of placing the engine in standby. Depending on the type of requirement, a message may accompany the barred A indicator light. Battery charge optimization to prioritize charging the battery. Priority to thermal comfort to prioritize the air conditioning. Priority to engine running to prioritize the engine activities. To deactivate the function, press this control. The message "Stop and Start deactivated" appears on the instrument panel and the warning light comes on. Pressing it again reactivates the system. At the end of your journey, remember to switch off the vehicle engine manually. Otherwise, your vehicle will automatically restart when the door is opened or when the driver's seatbelt is unfastened. Finally, be aware that each time you use your vehicle, stop and start will be reactivated automatically.